How to change WhatsApp font style. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So in order to change the WhatsApp font style, you need to change the font style for your device itself. So let's launch the settings application on our device, and as you select on the settings application, scroll down and tap on the option of display over here. As you tap on display, scroll down and here you can see the option of font. Select on that. Now as you select on the font, it will take us to a new page where you can see the different free fonts that you can use for your device. So I'm gonna select on one of these over here. So let's select any of these over here, and you can see the preview as well. If you like it, you can just go forward. If not, you can go back and change it or select another font. So I'm gonna select one of these over here and then tap on free and just wait for a few seconds and then tap on apply. And as it's applying, we'll just wait for a while, and now you can just go back to your WhatsApp application, and as you launch the WhatsApp application, you'll be able to see your font has been changed over here as well. There you go. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.